I'm gonna have to make a current video tutorial of this again, because a lot of people aren't getting it, especially the younger generation. They're not getting it, especially if you're going into the job force with little to no certifications, experience. My tutorial is going to be about free training at work. Free training at work is free. The knowledge is there, is free. You hear people talking all the time about how certain things are done. Now, to be fair, there is bad managers, bad actors at a workplace. I get that. But it's up to you to hone in and start focusing on managers, supervisors, and see the co-workers, turn to them, ask questions. Do you sit in meetings and everyone turn their attention to that particular person? Do you see a lot of head nodding when that person talks? Free training at the workplace consists of someone saying, "Hey Jim, come over here and help me with this. I don't know how to do it." "Don't worry, Jim, I'm going to train you. I'm going to show you." Now imagine 2 to 3 years, 3 to 5 years of this constantly, consistently taking place. Believe it or not, it flies very fast. I know people who've been at a position 10 plus years, left out with no knowledge whatsoever. Free training at the workplace. There's a lot of jobs that will get you certified to do certain tasks. The way it pays off in the future. And once again, people may say, well, they're not breaking bread, this and that. You know, I tell them I got all these credentials from you guys and they still not breaking bread. You also know what I told you too. If you've been following my tutorials, go shop it elsewhere. Take your certifications, your credentials, your hands-on experience, and shop them elsewhere while you're still at that job. Start shooting out resumes. Bing, 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 bing. It's effortless. Yes, it's a hustle, but it's effortless. Be nosy. Listen. Everything that's going around you. Productivity is going on. People are talking. Engineers, project managers, like I said, managers, supervisors, upper management, presidents of the company, they love to talk. Rah, 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 rah. They're just giving away intel. And like I said, between 3 to 5 years of hearing all this and applying all that, you're going to get some skills. Stop being lazy. I done it personally. I sucked everything in like a sponge. Grabbed that company in a chokehold. You pay me. So yeah, I might do another tutorial in regards to that. Free training at the workplace. It's so simple. Just gotta stop being lazy, take some initiative. I used to do aluminum welding. Didn't know how to weld nothing. They showed me. That's why they paid me big bucks. Do you do? Stay tuned for that tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below of your train of thought when it comes to free training, and let me hash it out with you if you're a little confused about it. You don't want to put that extra into it. Comment down below. Let's powwow, alright? Make sure you subscribe over there at that channel. It's doing pretty nice. So just join the gang, right? It's Markie Williams. I'm gonna see you guys in the future.